Hello everyone, welcome to the target series of RBWM. In target series, as you know, we are covering all the numericals, objective questions, case studies of all the subjects, okay, of your JAIIB. I am covering RBWM. So follow the series till the end. Watch this video completely, share it with your friends, share it on all your social media platforms. Like the video, like the channel also, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Let's start. Today I'll be covering numericals. We are all in the PYQ series, previous year questions. So I'll be covering numericals. Very important numericals on tax planning. I've covered earlier numericals on housing also. So today I'll be covering tax planning, very important ones. Watch the videos till the end. Okay? Mr. Sharma, a salaried employee, aged 45, has a gross income of 15 lakh for the financial year. He has made the following investments or expenses. Standard deduction, he has taken 50,000. Section 80C investments, PPF, ELSS, life insurance, 1,50,000. Section 80D, health insurance premium for self and family. He has taken 50,000, assuming it covers family. Interest on home loan, section 24B, he has taken 2 lakh. Okay, means he has paid 2 lakh. Calculate his tax liability under the new tax regime, 115 BSc. Very tough one. Really, it's tough. Watch this everyone and try to give the answer. Everyone, try to answer this. Really difficult one. Okay? It's a really difficult one. Think over it, everyone, and start doing it. Start doing it. Everyone, start doing it. What is it given? Gross income is 15 lakhs. Okay. Standard deduction is 50,000. Okay. Then what about others? 80C, 80D. All this 80C, 80D. Yeah. What is the answer you are getting? Anyone? Anyone is able to do it? Yes? Here, it's simple. How you have to do is, under new section 115 BSc, under this section 115 BSc, kindly note, many things have gone. So there is 80D, 80C, not applicable. Okay, not applicable. Health insurance, 80D, not applicable. Okay, nothing is applicable. Interest on home loan, section 24B, that is up to 2 lakhs, not applicable. So nothing is applicable over here. The new section 115 BSc, nothing is applicable. Kindly note, nothing, literally nothing is applicable. Okay? So, you'll say, sir, then the new section 115 BSc is really bad. No, it's not bad. The exemptions given for tax is huge. Okay? Under 115 BSc, number 1, you have a tax rebate up to 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs income. So, up to 12 lakhs, see, income up to 12 lakhs, income 12 lakhs, plus, now see this, 12 lakhs is not the final one, 12 lakhs plus 75,000 standard deduction, up to this, okay, standard deduction. So net you have 12,75,000 up to this amount. You don't have to pay even a single rupee of tax, even a single rupee. So you don't have to pay the tax on this. Got it? Up to 12,75,000. Got it? Up to 12,75,000, no tax is to be paid by you. Got it, everyone? Clear? Yes? So you don't have to pay any tax up to 12,75,000. So here, what is the income given? Has gross income of 15 lakh. This Mr. Sharma has an income of 15 lakh. So now, what is the method of tax calculation in the new tax regime? The method of tax calculation is like this. See, it's very simple. There are two tables. One is table of 4 and second is table of 5. Kindly remember. Okay, two tables, table of 4 and table of 5. So let's write it down. Income, and then tax. Okay, we'll make it like this. Income is table of 4. So 4x I'll write it. Okay, and this is table of 5x. Okay, table of 4 and table of 5. So up to 0 to 4. Here, I'll just calculate it in lakhs now. Okay, lakhs, everything in lakhs. So 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4. I'm having no tax, 0. Okay, table of 4, 4 to 8. Now I'll write table of 4 again, 8 to 12. 12 to 16, 16 to 20, right? 20 to 24, okay? And then about 24. This is the table of 4. 4 on the 4, 4 to the 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, okay? Now about the tax, see this. This is 0, this is 5. This is 10, table of 5, 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 15, 20, 25, and last one is 30. This is all percentage, okay, all. Now everything is percent, okay. So these are the percentages and these are the slabs, but they have given an option also. That option is up to 12 lakhs, this part. If my income is up to 12 lakhs plus 75,000 above, standard deduction. So here I don't have to pay any tax, no tax. Even though this 5%, 10% is given, I don't have to pay any tax. That is the rebate given. Okay, no tax. But in our case, what is the income of that person? The income of Mr. Sharma is 15 lakhs. 15. So what will be the tax in this case? Nothing is there. See, what was the case for here? 80C, not used. 80D, no use. Home loan, no use. So all these three are out. Okay, only standard deduction can be used. Standard deduction can be used, 50,000. But that also what? How to use this? There is no other option. See, the tax calculation over here is very simple over in this case. Okay. So for first 0 to 4 lakhs, see total is 15 lakhs. For first 0 to 4 lakhs, Mr. Sharma will pay 0% tax, 0. Then 4 to 8 lakhs, Mr. Sharma will pay 5% tax. 5%. So 5% on what? 4 to 8, 4 lakhs. See this difference. This difference is 4 lakhs. Okay. All the differences. Tax is always paid on the difference. Okay. Similarly over here, 4 lakhs. So 5% on 4 lakhs. 5 for the 20, right? 5% on 4 lakhs. So 20,000. 20,000. Okay. I'm seeing some of you are confusing yourself in this part. Means some of the students are saying my income is 15 lakhs. So up to 12 lakhs I am having exemption. So my tax should be only on the remaining 3 lakhs. Right? 12 lakhs is the exemption, 0. My income is 15 lakhs. So I must get the tax only on 3 lakhs. But that is not the case. That 12 lakhs no income tax is the rebate for those who are having the income up to 12 lakhs. If you are going above, then you will have to pay the tax on all the remaining ones also, earlier ones also. You will have to pay the tax. So here 5% on 4 lakhs. Next, again 4 lakhs, 10%. So 40,000. So on this up to 12 lakhs, it is 40,000. Now this person is having the income of 15 lakhs. So this gap will not be a 4 lakhs. It will be 3 lakhs. Why? Because 15 minus 12, 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs into 15%. See this percent. 15 3s are 45. So 45,000. Okay. So what is the tax calculation for this person, Mr. Sharma? 45 plus 40, 85. 85 plus 20, right? 105. So 1,05,000 will be the tax liability of Mr. Sharma over here. Kindly note this. No standard deduction is used. Nothing. It's of no use to you for this Mr. Sharma. Okay. So no standard deduction, nothing. Kindly note, again I am telling you, whenever you have an income above 12 lakhs, means after that standard deduction, if you are having the income about 12 lakhs 75,000, see the rebate is available only up to 12 lakhs 75,000, including your standard deduction. Including your standard deduction. If you have the income above that, even 1 rupee, then you will have to pay the tax on all the earlier brackets. You can't leave it. Okay? So that is the point. Got it, everyone? Clear? Concept clear here, this? So now similarly, if I take the income of Mr. Sharma as 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. If I take the income of Mr. Sharma as 9 lakhs, now you answer me. How much tax will Mr. Sharma pay if my income is 9 lakhs? 9 lakhs. How much tax will Mr. Sharma pay? It will be 0 again, right? 0. Very good. 0 tax. Okay. If Mr. Sharma's income is, let's say, 12 lakh 10,000, 12.10 lakhs, how much tax will Mr. Sharma pay? Now look at the overall case. Okay. Instead of this 15,000, let's say it is 12 lakh and 10,000. 12.10 lakhs. Let's say this is my income of Mr. Sharma. So in that case, how much tax will Mr. Sharma pay? Because it is about 12 lakhs. So how much tax will Mr. Sharma pay? Think over it, everyone. Think. Mr. Sharma will pay, again, 0 tax, right? 0. Why? See this, 12 lakhs plus 75,000 standard deduction, so 12 lakhs 75,000. So if somebody is having the income, okay, about 12 means up to 1275, then that person will not be liable for any taxation. Okay, in this case. Is it so? Will this person be not liable for any tax? What do you say? Suppose if my income is 12 lakh 10,000, will I not be liable for my any tax? Because up to 50,000 is standard deduction, right? So 50 plus 1210. You answer me. I want the answer from you. 1210 plus 50 means 0.5. So 1260. So my income is less than 1275. My income is less than 1275. So I should not be eligible for any tax. Is it so? Typically, I have asked this question specifically. Why? Because I know many of you will make a mistake over here. Many of us will think that 12,75,000 is bigger and my income is, along with standard deduction of 50,000, I am getting only 12,60,000. So I need not pay the tax. But it's not the case. I will have to pay the tax because this standard deduction is separate. This income is more than 12 lakhs. Over. Question is over. Income is more than 12 lakhs. Immediately start paying the tax. This standard deduction of 75,000 is given because if my standard deduction is 1 lakh, then only 75,000 is allowed for tax exemption. But it doesn't mean I'll club these two and then add the income. So if my income is more than 12 lakhs, I will have to pay the tax at any cost. I will have to pay the tax. Okay. So in this case, if my income is 12 lakh 10,000, then Mr. Sharma will have to pay the tax of what? This 5%, 20,000, 40,000, that will also come, plus 10,000 into 15%. So 1,500. So 40 plus 20, 60 plus 1,500 plus 1,500. So it will be what? 61,500. So in this case, 61,500, right? Rupees. This much tax will be paid by Mr. Sharma. Got it, everyone? Clear? Move on. Next one. Again, numerical. Mr. Rohan has a small trading business. Okay? With annual turnover of 80 lakhs. He opts for presumptive taxation on the scheme under section 44AD. In all his transactions, if all his transactions are digital, calculate the presumptive income and the tax liability under the new tax regime. Understand this. Okay, pay attention. 44AD. What is 44AD? 44AD is for those small business persons who don't maintain the books. Who don't maintain the books. Means I don't maintain any balance sheet, anything. 44AD is for those. Okay. So, Mr. Rohan is running this and he is having a turnover of 80 lakhs, sales of 80 lakhs. So, this will be applicable to Mr. Rohan. Right? Think over it, everyone. Will it be applicable? What is the maximum limit of 44AD? Yeah. What is the maximum limit of 44AD? Yes, everyone. Yeah. So it is maximum limit allowed to Mr. Rohan is 2 crores. Up to 2 crores, he can use 44AD. If the turnover goes more than 2 crores, then he will not be able to use this 44AD. So now, under 44AD, what is the rule? The rule is if anyone is having what? Digital transactions. So the income over there is considered as digital 6%. Digital. So income is 6%. 6% of the turnover. 6% of the turnover means that much is considered as a profit. Okay, that much is considered as a profit. So 6% of the turnover. And if somebody is receiving in cash, then 8% of the turnover. 8% of the turnover. So in this case, Mr. Rohan is having all digital transactions. So in this case, 6% will be applicable. 6%, right? 6% will be applicable. So now in this case, if 6% is applicable, then 6% of 80 lakhs, isn't it? 6% of 80 lakhs. That is his income, net income of 80 lakhs. Profit you can call it. What is the answer? 8 6 of 48, right? So it is 4,80,000. That is his income or net profit you can call it. You can assume this much. See, the rule is like this. 6% or whatever that customer gives. Okay, whichever is higher. If that person says my income, net profit is less than 4,80,000, then take 480. If the person says my net profit is 8 lakhs, then take 8 lakhs, not 480. But here nothing is given. So directly take 6%. So 4,80,000, right? So this much is his net profit. Now you tell me, what is the income tax on this net profit of 4,80,000? Yeah. What is the income tax on this? 4,80,000. So the income tax over here is 0. Why? Why 0? 12 lakhs. Up to 12 lakhs, if I am having a net profit, my tax is 0. So here Mr. Rohan will have to pay what tax? 0 tax. Right? Because it is less than 12 lakhs. As this is less than 12 lakhs, that's why Mr. Rohan will have to pay 0 tax over here. Got it, everyone? Clear? Simple? Okay? Very important case studies. Okay? Mr. Vijay, aged 55, has the following income and investment details for the financial year. So, he is having the following details. Income from housing property, self-occupied. He has taken a home loan and paid 3 lakh as interest during the year. How much will be the exemption allowed? So, he has paid this interest on that housing loan as 3 lakh. Okay. So now it is 3 lakh. Now for that you need to go back to the numerical earlier one. This one. 24B, interest on home loan, section 24B. Okay. So section 24B, is this applicable to the new tax regime? No. So if this is not applicable to the new tax regime, this 2 lakh, 3 lakh, anything. So what's the use of all this? He has taken in 3 lakh as the interest. How much is the exemption allowed? So the exemption allowed over here under the new scheme. See, we are all talking under the new scheme 115 BSc. Under 115 BSc, the interest exemption allowed is 0. No exemption for this 3 lakh or anything. If he is following the old regime, then up to 2 lakhs. If he is following the old regime, then up to 2 lakhs. Otherwise, no. He'll have to pay complete tax. Here, under new 115 BSc, nothing is exempted. They have only given one exemption. Up to 12 lakhs, no income tax. Okay? So that was it about the taxation numericals. Now before going, let me show you the ADDA 24/7 batches. All of you, kindly join the ADDA 24/7 batches. Always download the app first and then join. Because through the app you will be getting 1% extra. Okay? Net you are getting 81% discount. And in the new batches, kindly note officers batch. Just now it is starting. Okay, it's still in the starting phase. English medium. Ebooks, mock tests, online live classes, recorded sessions, everything you are getting. Okay. Plus, look at the discount part. Buy now. Okay. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on enter. Look at this. 80% discount plus 1% extra. 81% through the app. So 81% discount you are getting. Plus, note this. Plus, you are getting AI tools. You are getting ebooks. You are getting this online tests, mock test, chapter wise also, full length also, everything win-win. Also, I would suggest you can go for the Mahapack, increment Mahapack, one of the best Mahapacks for you. JAIIB, best one. JAIIB increment Mahapack. In this, you are getting 15 plus batches per subject, 15 plus 1 5 per subject, plus ebooks, mock test, online live classes, recorded sessions, everything. And right now you are getting double validity. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. Buy for 12, get it for 24. Okay. So put the code Y432. Y432. Look at this. 80% discount, validity double, plus 1% extra, plus you are getting AI tools, plus you are getting recorded sessions, plus you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. It's a win-win.